Hello and welcome to another news episode, a quick one this week. On the preheating update side, the fix has now reached, I've had confirmation of it's reached the Netherlands, so it's getting closer and closer. I did contact Kia again yesterday and they still have no update on the update. So it's still ongoing and we're still waiting in the UK, but fingers crossed. Also, there was an InsideEV story on the software update improves cold weather charging speed. Next story, it's sad to report that Podpoint are now ending free charging at Tesco's. Podpoint's been a mainstay of free 7 and 22 kilowatt charging for years now in the UK, and it's always been useful to pop in whilst you're shopping. But it's understandable with the cost of electricity has gone through the roof that they're going to start charging, and so this was inevitable really. Some people also took advantage and just parked their cars there all day and just hog spots, which was very bad, and so I think this will put an end to that. So from November the 1st, 7 kilowatt poles will be 28p a kilowatt, 22 kilowatt poles will be 40p a kilowatt, and 50 kilowatt chargers will be 50p a kilowatt. Still some of the most competitive prices out there in the current electricity price market, but it's a real shame, but inevitable really. And finally, the continuing saga of Niro EV Zombie Mode. I've been following this on the Speak EV forum thread for a few weeks, and also some people have replied to my news story about it, saying they've also had it around the world. In the past it looked like it was related to remote preconditioning, the heating, the climate control, and I think it is, but it turns out it could well be there is a fault code in the car related to poor communication between the ECU and the coolant control pump. And Kia are now looking at a fix, so at least they're making progress, and hopefully people should get a fix soon. Regarding anyone who's had the preheating fix done in Europe, do you have any paperwork or TSB numbers related that you could let me know about? So maybe there's some way we could chase our dealers and Kia with those numbers. Anyway, let us know how you're getting on with those updates and if it's working for you. Thanks for watching.